Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott front coilover strut for various GM SUVs and trucks, GMT K2XX, long wheelbase with Magneride, Z95. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the process by lifting the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel. Then, unroot and disconnect the electrical connection. Next, remove the 3 top mount nuts. Now remove the 2 bottom mount bolts. Now you're able to remove the shock assembly from the vehicle to complete the removal process. Before we begin with the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now start by installing the new assembled shock onto the vehicle and reinstall the 2 bottom mount bolts. Now reinstall the 3 top mount nuts and reroute and connect the electrical connection. Next, reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott front coilover strut for various GM SUVs and trucks. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Feel free to contact us with any questions.